Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Thiru sir, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknath Rao Kharche English Medium School, Muktainagar. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss the fourth chapter of the English grammar of 6th standard from Longueville textbook. So, the chapter name is the use of some adverb. Okay, I have written some adverb for you. Okay, and some more is there. So, one by one, we are going to discuss what type of word and which situation we are going to use those things. So first things, very. This word used with a positive degree. This word used with a positive degree. For example, she is very happy now. Okay, actually it is used as in a positive degree. She is very happy now. Very happy, it's a positive. And present participle. So in present participle also they're going to use these things as what the very. So we can say write another example. This book is very interesting. So very. These are the adverbs. Okay. But in which situation how you are using, just we have to identify. Very is one of the adverb which is used in a positive degree, and second thing, and it also used in a present participle, I mean be1 plus ing form. In this way also it is usable. Now we are going to discuss much. Much is using as a comparative degrees. Much is used as a comparative degree. So she is much happier now. Very same things. She is much happier now. And it also used as a degree, and it also used as a past participle. So what is past participle? For example, she is not much interested. She is not much interested in singing, in dancing. She is not much interested in singing. So in this way also you can write to the much. Now we are going to use TWO2. 2 means it's excess, or means it denotes or it expresses about something excess, thoda zyada. So let us discuss this TWO2. How we are going to use this? So each one sentence, just I'm giving an example for you and I am explaining to you. So first TWO2. So we can say this, that she works too hard. ज़्यादा मेहनत. So here very hard, so we should not use it. Okay, so in place of this too hard, and sometime also we are using in place of also. What? To को हमें in also जगह पे भी हमें to use कर सकते. वो कैसा कर सकते, चलो देखेंगे हमें. She sing and dance too. वो गाना गा भी सकता और डांस भी कर सकता. She sings and dance too. Understand? So in this way you can write it. So now we are going to discuss enough. So what enough means, as adverb is used after the word, it qualifies. So one more thing, listen carefully. True and enough, they all are, means both are expression. True and enough. True is explaining some and enough is explaining some. So both are something different way. So different qualify. They are qualifying different. They are showing some expression different. For example, just to see. See, just I will use two first. She is too weak to walk. Now I will use enough. Enough. He is rich. Enough. He is rich enough to buy a car. He is too weak to walk. It's a negative point, but it's a positive point. And both are qualify in opposite way. It is ability, it's not ability, it is showing not ability, but it is showing some ability. I can do it. Ability some. Okay, this is unable, this is able. Understand? So in this way also they can use. Next sentence also we can use by using enough. This book is sufficient enough for me. Sufficient enough. For me. It's also showing some positive expressions. Okay, so in this way also we can use the word enough. Now I am going to discuss little. So little, generally it is used little. First, little means it is used in negative sense. It is used in negative sense. Whatever negative sense, just to think that I have little idea. Little idea means what? It means no much idea. Are you getting my point what I am saying? Little idea. I have little idea. It means nothing. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है उसको थोड़ा मालूम है थोड़ा little. So in this sense when you are going to use, so then we can understand that better for it. Now I am going to discuss a little. Means it is used in affirmative sentence. For example, I can say she was a little tired. She was a little tired. She was a little tired means she's good, no problem. Okay, so in this way each and everything we can discuss very clearly. Okay. The another word, that is since. Actually, since when we are going to use since from some time in past to now. I mean, sometimes we will start the works in past until it is working. That is, in that case we have to use since. Example, right? Example, I have waited you since morning. I have waited you since morning. Otherwise, you can write, I have not seen ever since. Means बहुत समय तक मैंने उनको नहीं देखा. Means what is happening from past until now. It is going on. Such type of work when you are going to use, at that time we are going to use since. Okay. So now we are going to discuss ago. Understand? So you can say, I have met with my uncle 2 years ago. I have met with my uncle 2 years ago. This is used as a adjective. Now we are going to use adverb. So let you see, I met my uncle long ago. It is expressing some long times in past. I met my uncle long ago. So it is the time, adverb of time. Okay. So in this way you can write, I mean you can use ago. Now we are going to discuss about before. She has seen me. She has seen me only once before. She has seen me only once before. Okay. So in this way you can write before. Now we are going to discuss another one, that is already. What do you say? Already. She has met already. She has met already. So next we are going to discuss now else. Actually else should be followed by but. Else should be followed by but. So let me see. She is nothing else great. It is nothing else but great. Next one is I could not do it other than I could not do it other than hurriedly. I could not do it other than hurriedly. Good. So in this way you can use it other and you can use it else. Now we are going to discuss another one is fairly and ratherly. Generally fairly is used for favorable adjective or adverb. Favorable adjective or favor. For example, this bag is fairly light. This is favorable. It's showing some favorable things. What? This bag is fairly light. Actually, it's a really light. The same way, another sentence if you by using rather. What do you say? The bag is rather heavy. Rather heavy. It's favorable, it's unfavorable conditions. So in this way you can use rather and heavy. So the students, in this way all the adverb words or some words it is given for you one by one. So one sentence I have again just explained to you. So in this situation, in this case, this type of word you can use as an adverb. So the students, I hope you understand better these relations. So after completing this, do this homework, task yourself. Okay, I think it is making better for you. So next chapter, that is called determiners, next classes will start.